Be mindful of what you believe is you. Nobody's perfect, but we're perfect, that's the issue. All your hurts behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what
My name is Caleb. I am a flight attendant based here in beautiful Montreal, Canada. Today we are January 21st. It's about 2:51 local time. I am getting ready to go to Trudeau. Initially, I was supposed to fly to Brussels, Belgium tonight, but I did a switch with one of my colleagues. I'm flying to LA. We are flying on the Airbus 330. Not a full flight. Just check the flight schedule. It's blocked 6 hours and 33 minutes. Hopefully, it's gonna be shorter than that. I'm super excited. Hi guys, it's over 7 hours later. Welcome to Los Angeles, California.
This ain't what you used to. I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll would do you want greater. I am no wave.
Very nice room.
Show you how to get this pay. Will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain. Now we laughing.
We have the toilet, shower.
Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe.
Hi guys, I am super tired. I'm gonna take a quick shower, get a good night's sleep. When I wake up the next day, we will have a crew debrief. Good night. So 1 hour later, I am done with my workout. I am so happy I was able to go get this workout done. It's a promise that I made to myself to do my best to exercise on my layover. So now the plan is I want to go out to explore like I usually do on all my layover, but the weather is not looking too promising. It's been raining all morning. I do want to go to Trader Joe's. It's about 5-10 minutes walk. I just check on Google. 5-10 minutes walk from where I am. I do have an umbrella, so I'm just gonna go out to Trader Joe, get something to eat. Hopefully by then in the afternoon the weather will improve, because I am planning to meet a colleague or two. We're gonna go eat some tacos here. I don't know where in LA, but that's the plan, is to meet together with my colleague and just spend some time and eat some taco. That's it guys, that's all I have for you for now. I'm gonna go out, and if I see something interesting, I will see you on the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm done with my adventure at Trader Joe's. So now I am currently at Old Navy just to see if I can find some good deal. We're gonna try those these pieces on. So I love the fit of the sweatshirt. It's very comfortable, and the pants is not too tight. Very nice. Alright guys, so I'm back from my little adventure at Trader Joe and Old Navy. I wanted to show you quickly what I bought. I bought this organic mayo, very cheap. It was like $4, and this little chocolate chip cookies, they were like 99 cents, and this delicious 100% smoothies, and also this vanilla almond spice latte. It's really good. And I also bought this delicious, everything is good, potato chips. It's olive oil potato chips, very delicious. And the cookies as well is really good. We're gonna try this smoothies. I am loving everything. So that's it for now. I'm gonna relax for a few hours. I am meeting my colleague later on. As I said this morning, we are going for tacos. I will catch up with you on the next clip.
I've never seen a rainbow with palm trees before.
What's your most famous item? Maybe it'll.
The burgers without a doubt. The
Yeah.
6-piece burger and the bacon blue burger, those two.
Yeah.
The tacos, people love it.
Oh my gosh. Can I try the cookies and cream caramel swirl? Okay. And can I also try the dark chocolate?
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's about 5:54 LA time. I woke up about an hour ago. Last night I went out with my colleague and we had some supper. I had some beef burger. For some reason it did not sit well with my stomach. I end up having some type of food poisoning, but I still had a great time with my colleague. So I'm about to go downstairs to meet with my colleague, and we do LA to Montreal. The flight is just about 6 hours, and over 6 hour flight. As I said, the weather was not the best in LA yesterday, so I'm really hoping I will be able to have another layover so I can go to the beach and spend the day at the beach. If you made it until the end of this vlog, thank you so much for watching. I will catch up with you on the next layover. Bye for now. Peace.